Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today we have this question that says we should integrate square root of x with respect to x. In order to do this, let us express square root of x in index form, which will give us x raised to the power 1 over 2, because square root can be expressed as 1 over 2 in index form. Then with respect to x. Next stage is to integrate. To integrate, we normally add instead of subtraction. Okay, therefore we have x raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 1, because that is why it is called integration, and whatever be the value of the power will also be the value of the denominator, and we now have 1 over 2 plus 1. Then remember, there is a constant which is called arbitrary constant. We are going to introduce it as c. Okay, now let's forge ahead. 1 over 2 plus 1 is the same thing as 3 over 2. Let us work it out. If I have 1 over 2 plus 1, remember the LCM is 2. Okay, 2 divided 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, plus nothing is here. Let's just put over 1 here. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So when you add 1 plus 2, it will give you 3 over 2. Therefore, 1 over 2 plus 1 will give you 3 over 2. Now we have x raised to the power 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2 plus c. C is the arbitrary constant. Okay, now we move on. Let us now go to the next page and finish up this assignment. But before we do that, we see we have a denominator which is 3 over 2, and we are going to observe law of reciprocal here. Okay, we are going to observe law of reciprocal. On the next page you see how we do it, so let's go to the next page. Okay, now on the next page we have x raised to the power 3 over 2. Remember, we have x raised to the power 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2 plus c. This is what we have. Now what I'm going to do now is, remember, if you have 3 over 2 and I want to find the inverse of 3 over 2, it's going to be 3 over 2 raised to the power minus 1. Okay, that's the inverse, and this will give you, you turn this one inside bracket upside down, it will be 2 all over 3. So the inverse of 3 over 2 will always give you 2 over 3. Okay, just turn it upside down. Now we are going to find the inverse of the denominator. We are going to find the inverse of this 3 over 2, which will give us 2 over 3. Therefore, we have x raised to the power 3 over 2 times the inverse of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3 plus our constant. Okay, finally, this can be written as 2 over 3, because 2 over 3 is multiplying x raised to the power 3 over 2. Then we can bring down x and raise it to 3 over 2, and this is the answer, plus your c. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. You see, this is how to integrate square root of x. I believe you've understood how I did it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Buchi Online Maths, on YouTube. Also on Facebook, Buchi Online Maths. Like our page and share our videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.